How are you doing? My name is Alexander Higgins. I'm the author of the Exact Quotes Test, United States Constitution. The Exact Quotes Test is also known as the American Test. It's also known as the Article Section Text Method. It's also the gold standard of American social science. Great course for learning the U.S. Constitution. Today's topic. It is about the Law of Nations Clause in Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution. So we are talking about the offenses against the Law of Nations Clause found in Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution. We're also going to try and answer the question, does the federal government have power over immigration, or does any government have power over immigration according to the U.S. Constitution? I'm going to say yes, and once again, that's through the Law of Nations Clause. What is the Law of Nations? What are we talking about? Law of Nations, many scholars equate that to international law. It's a term that covers a variety of international issues. Without stretching out the term too much, I am not certain about this, okay? I believe that term, okay, written into the U.S. Constitution, when that term was written into that Constitution, it gives the federal government power over immigration as well as many other international events that happen between our nation and another nation, or between our people and another group of people from another country. Okay, that's what I believe the Law of Nations Clause does from the U.S. Constitution, Article 1, Section 8. Why do I believe this? Well, most famously associated with the term Law of Nations is Emmerich Vattel. He wrote the book Law of Nations. It was well known to the framers of the U.S. Constitution. That book was written in 1758. It was one of George Washington's overdue library books, okay? Found at the time of his death or after his death. That's the Law of Nations. Who else wrote about the Law of Nations? Well, before Emmerich Vattel, William Blackstone is famously associated with the term Law of Nations, okay? He used the term in his Commentaries on English law. That's what William Blackstone did. William Blackstone was also well known to the framers of the U.S. Constitution. We compared and contrasted our legal theories with the theories that William Blackstone wrote, as well as those of Emmerich Vattel. I'll put their quotes in up in the description box. I'll put their quotes about the Law of Nations and immigration. Both of the men, William Blackstone and Emmerich Vattel, both of those men concluded that a nation has power over immigration, okay? And once again, I'll put their quotes up there in the description box. That's my belief about the Constitution and immigration. My name is Alexander Higgins. I'm the author of the Exact Quotes Test, also known as the American Test, the Article Section Text Method, gold standard of American social science. I hope you all learned something valuable today, okay? Thank you.